If you're wondering what a first aid kit is all about, or if you've got one but aren't sure how to use it, this one's for you. First aid kits serve essential objectives. Number 1, immediate response. They help you respond swiftly to injuries, minimizing their severity. Number 2, infection prevention. Properly stocked kits aid in cleaning and protecting wounds to prevent infections. Number 3, stabilization. They provide tools to stabilize injured individuals until professional help arrives. Number 4, comfort and pain relief. Kits often include pain relievers and supplies for added comfort. Number 5, life-saving. In extreme situations, a well-prepared kit can save lives. Remember, a first aid kit is only as effective as your knowledge of how to use it. Learn basic first aid skills and stay prepared for any situation. For comprehensive first aid training and more life-saving tips, visit our website at elitemedicaltraining.com. Being prepared can make all the difference. Stay informed, stay safe.